Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about application guidelines for Global Korea Scholarship for Graduate Degree. Global Korea Scholarship for Graduate Degrees in 2024, Korean government aimed to invite 2,200 international students for 2024 Global Korea Scholarship Program for Graduate Degree. Applicants must apply either to Korean Embassy, where they hold citizenship embassy track, or directly to one of our designated universities. For inquiries regarding scholarship submission, application deadline, application method, additional required documents, and authentication, translation certificate, etc., please contact each embassy and university directly since they will be conducting the first round of selection. Okay, for more information about the program, please refer to the all attached files here. But here they say that significant change in 2024 Korean government scholarship. Starting from 2024, applicants who are expected to graduate by July 31, 2024 can also apply for the program with a certificate of expected graduation. Such applicant must submit their official graduation certificate or diploma or final academic transcript for GKS Center. Okay, failure to do so will result in the cancellation of your acceptance. So you will download these forms. Okay, first we download the application guidelines. When you will click here, then it will be downloaded. Okay, and then you can extract and open the file. They will have two files, one in Korean language and one in English language. We'll go through the file application guidelines, which is in English language. Okay, application guidelines for graduate degrees. Okay, National Institute for International Education. Table of contents. Here they will explain the program objectives, program and universities, program quota, eligibility, documents to submit, selection procedure and schedule, application and evaluation, final announcement, scholarship information, contact information, and all the details. So program objectives, program and degrees, so the universities. So these are the degree programs which you can take a look here. And application track, you can take a look here. Available fields of study in university, all academic fields established by GKS, participating universities, academic programs. Okay, so available universities, these are the universities in which you can apply for that scholarship. Type A, and these are the scholarship which you can apply directly from to the university. Type B. Okay, all of these universities are eligible. Available university by type for Japanese applicant. This is only for Japanese applicants. Okay. And available universities, general, okay, R&D. Program quota, you can take a look here, like how much quota is for each country. Okay, and all the information is available here. You can take a look carefully to this PDF file, and if you will have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Here you can take a look about eligibility criteria. All applicant parents must hold citizenship from another country other than Korea, and applicant and their parents who had previously held Korean citizenship must submit the document issued by the Korean government that proves that they are not the Korean citizen. Okay, now, and yeah, so yeah, these are the degree programs which are eligible, and this is the grade criteria. You can take a look carefully to this PDF file, and if you will have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish you best of luck And yeah, take care. Bye bye.